Anagram Crystal Clearz are different to foil or latex. They have a very unique and different way of inflating and behaving. Probably most akin to the way a latex balloon behaves, but they still need individual treatment, so they're different to both other categories. When you take it out of the packet, you'll see that it's made of a clear plastic material. This is very stretchy, which is what makes it similar to a latex balloon. It is also porous to helium in a similar way to a latex balloon. But it also has a valve, self-sealing valve, which on these occasions is actually on the end of the tail, not in the side. So use a latex inflator to inflate it. Open the valve by basically pinching between your finger and thumb and sliding like that, and you will then get a valve opening there that you can put your latex inflator in. You can use any latex inflator, trigger valve, push valve, flexi tip, anything that suits. Push it well in and hold firmly again so that all of the gas goes into the balloon, and then gently inflate. Now, on the pack, this is labelled as an 18 to 22 inch balloon. That is its inflation range. So the smallest you want to inflate it to is a diameter of 18 inches measured from side to side. And the comfortable maximum, although they will often go bigger if you want them to, but the recommended maximum is 22 inches from side to side. The Clearz Petites will go from 10 to 12 inches and behave in exactly the same way as these. So continue to inflate. Now all the wrinkles have gone, similar to an orbs balloon, but we still need to keep going. To get to the minimum of an 18-inch size, which is approximately there. So that's about the smallest that you want them to be. At this size, at 18 inches, it will fly for approximately 3 days and will lift around about 45 grams. On the website, there is a tool which will enable you to calculate the amount of helium, tell you the flying time and the liftability at all the different sizes that you can inflate it to. So we don't need to go into that here, you can look it up on the resources section of the website. If we continue, you'll see that it keeps expanding, getting bigger and bigger and bigger, up to its comfortable maximum of around about 22 inches, somewhere around here, at which point it'll now fly for about a week with a liftability of about 85 grams. So you can decorate them with all sorts of things underneath because they have lots of lift and they can carry lots of weight. What you will notice is that to begin with, they are different dimensions from side to side. So it's wider from seam to seam than it is across the middle. But as the film relaxes over the next 15-20 minutes or so, this will become perfectly spherical and the colour will be even all the way over. So it just takes a little time for it to stretch out. Attach the ribbon in the normal way and attach a weight. And then that is the basic inflation of Anagram Clearz balloons.